If you are still deciding on which CAD software you want to learn, here are a few insights that might help you come up with an informed decision. Once again, welcome back to Elvis Creatives. First time on this channel, remember to hit that subscribe button. SolidWorks is often considered superior to other CAD computer-aided design software by many users for several reasons. It's important to note that the perception of superiority can be subjective and depends on the specific needs and preferences of the user. However, Fusion 360 has gained popularity and is often preferred by other CAD users for various reasons. Keep in mind that the landscape of CAD software can evolve and new developments do take place more often. Here are some of the similarities between SolidWorks and Fusion 360. Ease of learning. SolidWorks is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface. The software is designed to be accessible to both beginners and experienced users, making it easier for users to learn and navigate. On the other hand, Fusion 360 is designed to be user-friendly, making it easier for beginners to learn and start designing. The platform includes tutorials and learning resources to help users get up to speed quickly. This is also available in SolidWorks. Parametric modeling. SolidWorks uses parametric modeling, which allows users to create designs based on parameters and constraints. This parametric approach enables easy modification of designs by changing parameters, making it efficient for design iterations. Fusion 360, on the other hand, also supports a parametric modeling approach. Feature-rich. SolidWorks offers a comprehensive set of tools and features for 3D modeling, simulation, rendering, and other tasks. It provides a wide range of capabilities, allowing users to perform various design and engineering tasks within a single software environment. Fusion 360 integrates computer-aided design, CAD, computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, and computer-aided engineering, CAE, in a single platform. This integration streamlines the product development process from design to manufacturing. Integration with simulation tools. SolidWorks, as well as Fusion 360, is integrated seamlessly with simulation tools like SolidWorks Simulation, allowing users to perform structural, thermal, and flow analysis directly within the software. This integration streamlines the design and analysis process before physical prototyping. Large community and support. Both SolidWorks and Fusion 360 have a large user community, which means there is a wealth of resources, forums, and user-generated content available online. This community support can be valuable for users seeking assistance or looking for tips and tricks. Regular updates and improvements. Dassault Systems, the company behind SolidWorks, regularly releases updates and improvements to the software. This ensures that users have access to the latest features, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. Autodesk, the company behind Fusion 360, regularly releases updates with new features, improvements, and bug fixes. This commitment to ongoing development keeps the software current and responsive to user needs. Collaboration and file compatibility. SolidWorks supports a variety of file formats, making it easy to collaborate with others who may be using different CAD software. The software allows users to import and export files in commonly used formats. Fusion 360, on the other hand, is available on multiple platforms, including Windows and macOS. This cross-platform compatibility allows users to work on their designs using different operating systems. Cloud-based collaboration. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based platform allowing for easy collaboration and version control. Multiple users can work on the same design concurrently, facilitating teamwork and real-time updates. However, SolidWorks recently launched cloud-based platform called 3D Experience. Amid all these similarities, Fusion 360 offers an affordable subscription-based pricing model, making it more accessible to individuals, startups, and small businesses. The subscription includes regular updates and access to a comprehensive set of features. Also, Fusion 360 includes generative design capabilities, enabling users to explore multiple design iterations based on specified parameters. This feature is particularly useful for optimizing designs for weight, materials, and other factors. SolidWorks, on the other hand, is widely adopted in various industries, including mechanical, aerospace, automotive, and more. Its popularity means that there is a larger pool of professionals who are familiar with the software, making it easier for companies to find skilled employees. In addition, Fusion 360 being cloud-based means Fusion 360 relies on an internet connection. Lack of internet access can be a hindrance for users in certain situations. While improvements have been made, Fusion 360's offline functionality may still be limited compared to fully desktop-based solutions like SolidWorks and Inventor. It's worth noting that, in terms of feature-based and offline capability, SolidWorks and Inventor have a lot of similarities. In conclusion, SolidWorks has a cutting edge in the market compared to other CAD software. It's worth noting that the choice of CAD software often depends on specific requirements, industry standards, and personal preferences. The superiority of one software over another can be subjective and context-dependent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel and like and share this video. Let's catch up in the next video and feel free to ask questions in the comments section.